Imagine a luxury SUV built not just to move you from one place to another, but to become a rolling fortress. In 2026, high-security vehicles are combining lavish interiors with reinforced cabins, ballistic materials, bullet-resistant glass, run-flat systems, and increasingly sophisticated protection technology. Some are designed to remain discreet and elegant, while others look like they belong in a futuristic action movie. These extraordinary machines take luxury and security to an entirely different level, offering protection without completely sacrificing comfort, performance, or style. And when you see what goes into creating them, some of these vehicles look almost impossible to believe. So buckle up, because we're counting down 19 of the most secure luxury armored SUVs that look absolutely unreal. INKAS Armored Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2. The INKAS Armored Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 takes ultra-luxury security to another level. Revealed in 2026, it combines the Cullinan's refined design with a discreet, fully integrated armored capsule. Features include 360-degree ballistic protection, multi-layer ballistic glass, armored doors, floor and roof protection, fuel tank shielding, and run-flat technology. INKAS also upgrades the suspension and braking systems to handle the added weight while preserving ride comfort. The result is a remarkably luxurious SUV that delivers serious protection without sacrificing Rolls-Royce elegance. Rezvani Vengeance. The Rezvani Vengeance is a luxury armored SUV that looks straight out of a futuristic action movie. Based on the Cadillac Escalade platform, it combines premium comfort with serious protection. Its available armored package features bullet-resistant glass, body armor, blast-resistant underbody protection, military run-flat tires, thermal night vision, reinforced suspension, EMP protection, and a smoke screen system. Power comes from a 6.2-liter V8, with configurations reaching 810 horsepower. With its aggressive styling and tactical technology, the Vengeance is an extraordinary blend of luxury and security. INKAS Armored Lexus LX600. The INKAS Armored Lexus LX600 transforms a premium SUV into a discreet security machine. Its CEN 1063 BR6 rated protection features 360-degree ballistic armor, military-grade ballistic glass, armored doors, roof and floor, plus underbody blast protection, run-flat technology, fuel tank protection, reinforced hinges, and upgraded suspension further enhance security and durability. Powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 producing up to 409 horsepower, the LX600 retains Lexus luxury while adding serious protection for high-security travel. Rezvani Tank. The Rezvani Tank is a luxury armored SUV engineered like a tactical off-road machine. Its available armored package adds bullet-resistant glass, body armor, blast-resistant underbody protection, military run-flat tires, reinforced suspension, thermal night vision, and EMP protection. Buyers can also equip smoke screens, armored doors, magnetic deadbolts, and a reinforced ram bumper. Power ranges up to 1,000 horsepower, depending on configuration. With a starting price of $185,000, the tank delivers an extreme combination of luxury, performance, protection, and unmistakable military-inspired styling. Karlmann King. The Karlmann King is an extraordinary luxury SUV combining stealth fighter styling with extravagant comfort. Based on a Ford F550 chassis, it features a 6.8-liter V10, producing around 395 horsepower, four-wheel drive, and air suspension. Optional bulletproofing can raise its weight to roughly 6 tons. Inside, owners can enjoy leather seating, starlight lighting, a coffee machine, refrigerator, flat-screen TV, PlayStation 4, and air purification. With bespoke customization and extreme rarity, the King delivers an unforgettable blend of protection, luxury, and exclusivity. Rezvani Arsenal Armored SUV. The Rezvani Arsenal is a luxury armored SUV built around protection, performance, and premium comfort. Starting at $229,000, it features lightweight B6 rated composite armor, ballistic glass, and 7 or 8 passenger seating. Its available military package adds blast-resistant underbody protection, run-flat tires, thermal night vision, smokescreen, EMP protection, reinforced suspension, and steel ram bumpers. Power comes from a 6.2-liter V8 with optional turbo diesel and 700 horsepower supercharged V8 engines. It delivers an imposing combination of luxury, security, and capability. Ramsmobile RMX2. The Ramsmobile RM-X2 is a $1 million luxury armored SUV that blends hypercar performance with extreme off-road capability. Its carbon fiber monocoque, 12-inch travel air suspension, massive all-terrain tires, and optional deployable track system make it remarkably versatile. Buyers can choose B6 or B7 ballistic protection, while power comes from engines including a 999 horsepower LT5 V8. The futuristic cabin offers 4 or 6 seat layouts, sculpted leather seats, multiple screens, and dramatic lighting. Limited to just 12 units, it is truly exclusive. INKAS Sentry Civilian. The INKAS Sentry Civilian is a luxury armored limousine designed to deliver a SWAT-style experience for civilian use. Built on the Ford F550 platform, it combines 360-degree ballistic protection with multi-layer bullet-resistant glass, reinforced suspension, heavy-duty brakes, and run-flat technology. Protection can reach CEN 1063BR6, while the cabin offers premium customization for up to 6 passengers. A 6.7-liter diesel V8 produces 330 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Terradyne Gurkha Civilian. The Terradyne Gurkha Civilian is a luxury armored SUV built for buyers who want serious protection with commanding road presence. Based on the rugged Ford F550 chassis, it features a 6.7-liter turbo diesel V8 producing 330 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque. Its armor protection reaches NIJ3, B6, and STANAG Level 1, while available air suspension improves comfort. Inside, buyers can choose bespoke luxury appointments. With 4x4 capability and extreme durability, the Gurkha delivers security, utility, and unmistakable presence. Highland Systems Phantom MPV. The Highland Systems Phantom MPV is a futuristic armored SUV built for extreme security and mobility. This UAE-made vehicle offers CENB 6 ballistic protection, IED and mine blast protection, and seating for 6. Its diesel-electric hybrid system delivers a claimed 1,600 horsepower and 12,000 Newton-meters of torque, while a 160 km/h top speed and 400 mm ground clearance provide impressive performance. Weighing around 6 tons, the Phantom combines military-grade engineering, advanced hybrid technology, and commanding luxury vehicle presence. Conquest Knight XV. The Conquest Knight XV is a massive luxury armored SUV built from the ground up for security and exclusivity. Based on an upgraded Ford F550 chassis, it offers ballistic hardened construction, armored glass, reinforced doors, and ballistic run-flat tires. Inside, 6 passengers enjoy handcrafted leather seating, premium carpeting, entertainment systems, and thermal imaging. Engine choices include a 6.8-liter V10 producing 326 horsepower, or a 6.7-liter turbo diesel V8 delivering 300 horsepower. At nearly 13,000 pounds, it is unmistakably imposing. INKAS Armored Cadillac Escalade. The INKAS Armored Cadillac Escalade combines American luxury with serious ballistic protection. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower and paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it offers RWD or 4WD. Its CEN 1063B, R6 protection, includes 360-degree armor, multi-layer ballistic glass, reinforced suspension, fuel tank protection, and run-flat tires. Inside, premium leather, massaging seats, advanced infotainment, and a spacious 7-passenger cabin preserve the Escalade's luxury. Optional night vision, fire suppression, sirens, and escape hatches add further security. USSV Rhino GX. The USSV Rhino GX is a massive luxury SUV that combines imposing military-inspired styling with premium comfort. Built on a Ford F450 platform, it offers four-wheel drive, a powerful 6.7-liter Powerstroke 5.8 diesel, and advanced hydraulic suspension. Inside, premium leather, wood trim, navigation, entertainment systems, and multiple luxury seating configurations create a VIP atmosphere. An optional armored version adds ballistic protection and bullet-resistant glass. Weighing around 10,000 pounds, the Rhino GX delivers exceptional road presence and commanding capability. SVI Engineering Max 3. The SVI Engineering Max 3 is a rugged armored SUV based on the Toyota Land Cruiser 79 platform. Designed for security and high-risk environments, it provides EN1063BR6 ballistic protection with upgrades to BR7 and additional blast protection available. Its 4.5-liter V8 turbo diesel produces 151 kilowatts and 430 newton meters, while upgraded suspension, brakes, wheels, and tires improve mobility. Available as a single cab, double cab, or 8-seat troopy, the Max 3 combines practicality, durability, and serious protection. INKAS Mercedes-Benz G63 SMG VIP Limo. The INKAS Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG VIP Limo is a spectacular fusion of luxury, performance, and ballistic protection. Its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 produces 577 horsepower, while upgraded suspension supports the added armor. Protection can reach CEN 1063BR7 with ballistic glass, reinforced structures, and perimeter surveillance. Inside, passengers get reclining massage seats, a 4K TV, motorized bar, cool box, and premium customization. With its stretched G-Class design, this armored limo feels more like a private executive suite on wheels. Rezvani Fortress. The Rezvani Fortress is a futuristic luxury armored vehicle built for extreme off-road performance and security. Based on the Ford F150 Raptor platform, it offers a standard 450 horsepower, 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 or an optional 850 horsepower, 5.2-liter supercharged V8. Its available armor package adds ballistic protection, bullet-resistant glass, blast-resistant underbody protection, run-flat tires, thermal night vision, smoke screens, and EMP protection. With a starting price of $285,000, the Fortress delivers an imposing blend of power. INKAS Armored Range Rover, First Edition, 2023. The INKAS Armored Range Rover First Edition 2023 combines sophisticated luxury with discreet ballistic protection. Its CEN 1063BR6 armor provides 360-degree protection against 7.62mm high-power rifle ammunition and can withstand 2 DM51 grenade blasts underneath the vehicle. Powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 523 horsepower, it also features smart air suspension, terrain response, executive class seating, touchscreen controls, and rear entertainment. Optional upgrades include fire suppression, oxygen filtration, and siren systems, making it a remarkable luxury security SUV. Armored Defender OCTA Edition 1. The Armored Defender OCTA Edition 1 combines extreme performance with discreet ballistic protection. INKAS upgrades its 626 horsepower, 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 360-degree ballistic armor, military-grade multi-layer glass, reinforced door seams, and run-flat systems. The standard OCTA features 6D dynamic suspension, 20-inch forged wheels, and advanced off-road capability. Inside, premium materials, performance seats, and exclusive carbon fiber detailing create a luxurious cabin. The result is a formidable armored SUV that blends speed, comfort, off-road capability, and security.